Today the topic is nylon 6 gear. Ongoing research of progressions in gears, textiles and vehicle industries have tendencies in creating a composite for high toughness, less substitution in and a few endeavors were made in fluctuating the synthesis of polymer matrix composites at the expense of solidness and roughness. A couple of specialists have arrived up in nylon 6 polymer matrix composite material for proportions 80% nylon 6 with 20% of glass fiber ratio. The quality of the materials wear oppositions, however, reduction in wear is still challenging issue. The present research focus on developing the wear reduction material analysis of nylon 6 polymer matrix composite mixed the ratio of 80-20. The 70-30 nylon 6 and 90-10% of aramid fiber. Many efforts were made in the different composition in polymer matrix composites at the cost of imperishability and robustness. The effect of various input parameters, namely process temperatures and weight, percentage of reinforcement aramid fiber on the hardness, the flexural and tensile strength and morphology, and thermogravity analysis test of the material, well analysis using with the SEM test and wear test. It is observed from the experimental result that the mechanical properties on the nylon 6 composites fundamentally affected by the weight level of the glass fiber, and 70% nylon 6 blended with the 30% of glass fiber has better than 80:20 ratio of glass fiber. The composites show the highest elastic models, yield strength, and significantly improved the tensile strength, compression strength, flexural strength. These experimental results confirm the excellent wear reduction of the material that envisages better product life and less maintenance. The experimental evidence of the highest elastic modulus, yield strength, substantially stress resistance of polymer composites shown an experiment impact of the weight percentage, 78% of nylon 6 blended with the 38% of glass paper. It is better than 80:20 ratio of glass paper. The 90:10% of aramid fiber polymer composites. The research result ensured that the material which provide excellent product service life and low maintenance are tremendously less wearable. These are the morphological analysis. The scanning electron microscopy is a research technique that provides an examples with an electron bar to provide enhance the image. For investigation, the technique is otherwise called SEM investigation and the SEM microscopy and is commonly used in microanalysis. And the distratification investigation of solid inorganic materials, morphological analysis is used to track the conduct of the internal fiber of the examples. It leads to focus on the fiber break, void, split, fiber binding, lattice quality, the fiber partition and so on in the composites cover. The surface properties can be tested. The examples of each test taken and derived for quite a while and coated with gold of about 15 mm thickness. At that point, the internal structure is examined by means of the appropriate devices. The strong holding is seen in the structures has been investigated details. Eventually, the progress is expected to be made in the next stage of the development and implementations in the microscopic analysis images. These are the tensile test, SEM test images. The SEM shown in the figure is obtained from 100x resolutions and 0.6 ZS testing unit, fiber direction is distributed in the equally same images. The picture vacuum subjected to regulations, the direction of the fiber shown in the figures. The fiber delaminated at some location by load pressure, uniformly distributed to sim pictures with the properties of mixers. The same results show the mixer's properties distributed eventually.